Hi again, welcome back to the channel. Doing another install. I just got done finishing up the skids, the underbody skids, the transmission, and the transfer case. I was gonna call it a day. There's still a little bit of time left in the day, so I'm just gonna finish this up and do the LCA skids as well today. And yeah, should be easy enough. It's just basically throw these on, throw the carriage bolts on, and that's it. Should be a fairly quick install. So first things first, there's two little rubber grommets you have to take off. Just get a flathead and pry it off. Try to get it off without messing up your hand. Cool. So you're just going to take your LCA skid, feed the shorter of the carriage bolts in through the front, feed it up through the hole, make sure to line up the hole, take a washer, the big washer, and then a nut, and feed that through. From here it should just hang, and then we're just going to put the longer carriage bolt here. Take your longer carriage bolt, feed it in this way. Should get through the other pin on the other side. Put another washer, another bolt. Throw that down. Take your spacer, sandwich it in between. Throw this all the way up through. Take a big nut and then a small nut and feed it through. From here, just going to tighten everything down and you're done. That's all it is. Nice. Now you're all done. Easy as that. Rinse and repeat for the other side, and you're golden. And that's about it. That is the complete install of these lower control arm skids. Now you could take your rig anywhere, across any parking lot, across any mall parking lot, and be completely sure that your lower control arms are nice and protected. So the install is super easy, 10 to 15 minutes. The hardest thing was probably taking off those plastic plugs. Super pain in the ass, but easy install nonetheless. These lower control arm skids are super nice. It's just the icing on the cake. It's just more protection for the underbody. Now if I rub against a rock or whatever, it's not rubbing on the actual LCA, it's rubbing on the armor of the LCA. And that's just easy repairs, just spray paint. It's pretty easy. That concludes all of the Cali Raised underbody. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down below. This is my code if you want to save 5% off. And yeah, if you guys have any comments, questions, or concern, leave them down below. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. If you guys like the installs, make sure to hit that like button because it always helps me with the algorithm. And yeah, if you guys want to see more installs, because there's a lot more stuff coming, stay tuned. hit that subscription button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.